Hello, my dear grade 8 students. This is El Maestro. Welcome to my channel. So for those who are first time, please paki-like na lang, subscribe my channel, and please hit the notification bell button. Okay, for updates sa akong mga video tutorial. Okay, for this week, sa inyong module, you will have factoring polynomials. So, sa inyong module na factoring by polynomials, divide na ako ni siya. Okay? So, yung ibang videos or topics is makita ninyo sa other videos. For this video, we will have factoring polynomials with algebra tiles, or we will use algebra tiles to factor a polynomial. Okay, let's proceed. So before you can go with this video, you must prepare materials. Okay? First material is a 2 by 2 na tile. Okay? So on side dimension niya, you can have it 2 by 2 na tile. 2 inches by 2 inches. Okay? So i-cut na ninyo siya. You can have, basta any klasa, you can have different dimension. Basta square siya. So for this, or you can just follow this para mas dali na lang. And you name this tile as x squared. So sulatan niyo after niyo mabuhat ang 2 by 2 na tile, you name it x squared. Okay? And on the flip side, kung inyong balihon, you name it negative x squared and you color it with different color. So pero I suggest mas nindot, or if you're using cardboard, enough na tong black and white. Okay? So, depende na lang sa inyo as ang negative, as ang positive. Pero if you have color, para mas nindot, you color it blue and the other side is, you color it red. Okay? So, para pag flip mo sa other side, you have the positive side and you have the negative side. Okay? And class, please remember that each side of this tile is na a corresponding value or name. So each side of this tile is, sa x squared is x, meaning each side of this tile is named x. Okay? So gamito na siya unya. So you can have it 4 pieces of x squared tiles, or you can have it 6, 7, so siguro minimum na ning upat. Okay? For this activity. Next, we will have a 1 by 2 na tile. So katong 2 by 2 ninyo, pwede mong buhat ato daghan, then the rest of those inyo na siya i-cut into half. Pag-cut nyo sa half, 2 by 1 na siya na tile. And color it red and color it green, then you name it as x tile. Okay? So kung katong kanina x squared kani siya x. And again, on the flip side of it is your negative. So, wala na ako nabutangan. Let's have it. Okay? Negative na siya diya. Okay? So, negative x. Katwa. So, if you flip it again, you will have, okay, positive x. Okay? Let's have it. Okay? So, positive and negative x. Okay? And again, pag remember, the one side of that tile is x, okay, and the other side is 1, okay. Again x and 1, or x by 1. And the third tile, or before that, you can have it make at least 8 pieces of x tiles, okay. So mas daghan, mas nindot. Okay, again, for this video or for this activity, 8 is enough na siguro. Okay? Pero mas daghan, much better, or mas better. Okay? So, the last tile is, okay, we have the 1 by 1 tile. Okay? 1 by 1, meaning katong 1 by 2 nimo nga tile, imo na po itong i-cut into half. Okay? Ang ma-produce nimo is 1 by 1. And, you name this tile as 1 tile. Okay? Again, on the flip side, if napansin niyo plus puro red ang negative, di ba? Para mas ma-recognize, mas dali natin ma-recognize ang negative. Ang negative, same silang color tanin. Okay? Then, if you flip it again, you have the positive side. And this side, ang side niya, okay, tanawan ninyo, this is a 1 by 1 tile. Okay? Okay, 1 by 1 tile. Okay, importante ni sa atong activity class, nakabalo mo unsa ang value ana na side. Okay? So, let's proceed sa atong discussion. So, if wala ka mo nga tile class, i-pause lang nimo ni kadali. Then, after niyo pause, then, pag okay na, nakaproduce na ka, o at least, you need 14 tiles of this. Okay? 14, 15, whatever. So, depende na sa inyo. Okay? So, if wala pa mo nakabuhat, i-pause, pagbuhat sa mo, then, balikin lang ninyo yung video. Okay? So, if you're done, you can proceed. Okay, let's have an activity. In this activity, gamito na nato itong tiles na inyong nabuhat. So, for this activity, kailangan lang natin duha ka tiles na x squared, duha ka tiles na x, and duha ka tiles na 1. So, unsa atong buhaton? So, in this activity, you put all those tiles diri sa atong square or rectangle, and you arrange the tiles into a rectangle. So, dikit-dikit na ninyo mga tiles class na makabuhat mo isa ka rectangle. Okay? Pwede siya pahigda nga rectangle, pwede na po siya patin. Okay? So, bisa kung sa na forma, okay ra. As long as rectangle. Pero, take note, that rectangle that is closest to become a square. So, ang inyong buhatong class rectangle, ang pinaka-correct na rectangle is katong rectangle na mura na siya square. Ha? So, actually, pwede rago na nimo isumpay tanan pahaba. Okay? Pero, ang ipaproduce nimo is a rectangle na taas kayo. So, ang atong buhaton in this activities, you make a rectangle na closest to become a square. Okay? And, before that, na ay mga rules, guidelines, para magbuhatag ng kaniyang activity. Okay? First, these are the don'ts and those. Okay? Or ang mga pwede or dili pwede buhaton. First, kami. Dili na siya pwede class because if magdikit tag duha ka tiles, dapat the same ang ilang length sa side. In this case, nakita nimo dili sila parehong length, di ba? So unsa ang dapat lang pwede mabuhat? Ngana. So, if makita nimo ang side sa x o x squared, sa pagdikit nimo pareha sila kataas. Nakuha? So kana lang ang pwede. So you cannot like dikit those two tiles nga dili sila pareho length og side. Okay? Another one. Okay. Tanawa class. Pwede ba na or dili? Dili. Because ang one tile is dili parehong length sa side sa imong x squared tile. Look. So, dili pwede. So, there's no way pala na ang x squared ug 1 tile magdikit sila. Diba? So, ang posible lang si x squared ug si x. Okay? So, sa imong activity, dili pwede nga si x squared ug si 1 tile magdikit. Okay? Next. Okay. This one, pwede dili. Again, dili pwede nga naman. Dili sila pareha o length nga gidikit. Suppose, pwede lang is ingana. Okay, so this is the correct because this is correct kasi the same sila o side nga dikit-dikit. Okay? So, let's proceed. Okay, let's go back to activity. So, una, nagbutang na ka o isa ka x squared. Okay, next. Okay, gidikit nyo. Pwede, no? Pare sila length. Unsang next nyo buhaton? Yun. Okay? So, ang question there is, sir, the only thing na lang nga pwede nato buhaton plus is kani. Di ba? According sa atong rules. So sir, dili siya rectangle ang mabuhat. Nga naman, wala naman tayo lain ano. Kasi bawal man kaya sir idikit ang x squared og 1 tile. So dili ta makabuhat og rectangle. Okay. Naay isa ka kumbaga technique para ma-rectangle siya class. You can add tiles nga wala gihatag sa given. Pero take note, ingani. Okay? Kasi you can add pairs of tile with opposite signs. When I say pairs, meaning pares talaga ha. So meaning, if mag-add ka din na og x na tiles, dapat ang imong i-add po is x tiles pero negative. So pwede na siya class. Pwede ka mag-add og any tiles nga pair as long as mag-opposite sila side. Nga naman, si x ug sa negative x, pag imo na silang i-add, that is just equal to 0. So mura kag wala niya. So in this case, ka-create na kag rectangle. Okay? So mura gyud ang maka-create tag rectangle. Okay? Kuha. Okay, let's have another activity. Okay? Let's say for example, we have x squared. Isa, natay tulo ka x. Tile, natay duha ka 1 tile. So, unsay buhaton nato? Okay? First, you have x tile. Oh, kana ano? Dapat same sila length. Another one. Okay. So, nakuha na. So, meaning, we have okay, so unsay na-create nato? Correct. So, we created another rectangle. Okay? So, let's proceed. Tanaw, class. Pwede mo siya bali-balihon. Okay? So, dili mag-matter kung unsang arrange mo. As long as i-follow nimo itong mga guidelines natin na dili pwede indicate ang dili parehong side. In this case, ato siyang gibali pero wala tayo gilabag na guidelines. Okay? Still a rectangle. So, you have 3x squared tiles and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9x tiles. Saan mo natin yun? Okay? Okay. Let's try. Trial and error ni siya class ha kasi wala pa matakabalo. Let's try. Let's put it this way. So kung ingana class, dili pwede. Asa ta na mali? This one. If napansin niyo class, diri pa lang daan, mali na. Tama? Kaya dili man siya pwede. Nga indicate kasi dili man sila parehong side. So kung iyanan yung pag-arrange, mali na mo daan. So may tendency na dili gyud siya rectangle ang ma-create nimo. Kung rectangle man, mali gyapon. Okay? So erase nato na. So usabo na to. Okay? So let's try. How about in this slide, be straight lang sa nato ang mga x squared tiles. So what's next? Okay. So what have we created class in this? Pero unsay napansin niyo tan-aw? Naatay rectangle kaso pangutana, is this correct? No. Nanuman. Tanawa ni class. Bisag naka-create tag rectangle sa pag-file nato sa mga tiles, mali siya because natay gilabag na guidelines. So dili gyud na siya pwede ingana. So the only way is to rearrange the tiles. Okay? I-rearrange lang ninyo. Hantot, makreate ninyo ang rectangle na magkadikit-dikit ang same side. Okay? So, usaban ninyo. Okay? Again, rectangle that is closest to become square ang atong buhaton. Gani, medyo mahaba siya. Okay? So, in this case, okay, ano matanaw? The same side, ang atong gidikit-dikit. Okay? So, nakuha ninyo yung saon pag-arrange ng mga tiles. Kasi we will be using that one class in factoring. So, tama dapat ang atong arrangement sa atong tiles. Okay. Let's say, for example, we are asked to factor 3x squared plus 6x using algebra tiles. So, unsaon ni siya class? Tanawa lang ninyo. First is kani. Sa first term, you need 3 daw kabuok na x squared tiles. Okay. So, kailangan niyo 3x squared tiles. Next, ang second term niyo, you need 6x. So, 6 ka x tiles. Okay. So, after preparing that one, next thing that you're going to do is, sa inyong lamesa or somewhere workplace ninyo, magbuhat mo duha ka line. Okay? Sa inyong duha ka line, diha ninyo i-arrange ang inyong tiles into a rectangle. So first, unahan yun na ito ang x squared class. Unahan yun ninyo ang x squared sa pag-arrange. Okay? Na-arrange na ang x squared. Next. So, tama ba? So, tama na siya, no? Kasi naka-arrange na siya into same side. So, next thing is, tanawan ninyo ang space nga na-create din na. Kasi diha nato ibutang ang atong answer. And also, take note, okay, katong atong presentation ganina. Okay? Na each side of x squared is called x. Kung ato na siyang ibutang sa pikas, tanawa. Meaning, these two sides of your x squared, x ang value niya. Okay? If we move to the other side, okay, ano po kay isa ka x. So, you just write down kung unsa tong value niya. Tanawa. Okay, so you have x. Okay, another x. And so you have tulo ka x sa taas and tulo ka isa ka x sa left side. Okay? Next, napay kulang, napay duha ka side, oh. Okay, let's remember this one. Ang 1 by x nga tile. Butang nato sa pikas. So, naakay 1 na side. Okay? So, you write down 1. Then, another 1. Okay. So, after ninyo ma-file, ani na dapat ang noun sa inyo um, workplace. Okay? So, tanaw ni mo class ang nasa taas. Pila ka bug x na adina? Tulo. So, one factor is 3x. How about the other side? Tanaw na to. You have x and duha ka 1. So, ang i-add mo anak ng duha ka 1. So, 1 plus 1 is 2. Since x and 2 dili pwede ma-add, so that is x plus 2. Okay? So, that is x plus 2. Okay. So, these 3x and x plus 2 class, these are now the factors of 3x squared plus 6s. Okay, so therefore, the factors of 3x squared plus 6x are 3x and x plus 2. So you can write that one as this. Ingani, pwede nyo siya isulat as this. So 3x squared plus 6x is equal to 3x times quantity, okay, close and open parenthesis, x plus 2. So that's now your answer. That is the factor. Okay, so we'll have another activity. Okay, next activity or next example. You have 7x plus 14. Okay, so unsay unang itanawon? So look at the terms. First term na to is 7x. Okay, so you need 7x tiles. So prepare the 7x tiles. 6, 7. Okay, 7x tiles. Next term. 14. So unsa ning 14? Katong 1 tile. So you need 14 1 tile. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, let's count again the class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 1 time. Okay? Again, ayaw kalimot sa atong may wagang duha ka linya. Okay? So let's arrange. Unahon na to ang dagko. So you arrange the x tiles. Okay? So it's a trial and error class, ha? So for me, this is the right arrangement. Okay, let's try. Next. So now we just created a rectangle out of those tiles. Okay, so again, don't forget the space at the top and the left side. The rectangle that is closest to become a square. So this is the rectangle na na-create nato na doon sa square. So you have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay? Remember, na ang x tiles is na kay 1 na gamay nga side na kay x sa other side. Look, you have 7. 7 ka 1. So i-add mo na, you have 7. The other, x, 1, 1. Nakuha. So you have x plus 2. Again, this is now, or these are now the factors of your 7x plus 14. Okay? Or, write that one into equation. 7x plus 14 is equal to 7 times x plus 2 close and open parentheses. Okay? So, yung na siya class using algebra class. So, let's try class if we will use negative. Okay? Para matry po natin. So, let's see. We have 2x squared minus 4x. So, you need 2x tiles, 2x squared tiles, and 4 negative x tiles. Okay. So, regardless of the signs class, ang rules is the same. Kuha kag duha ka line, then arrange. So, the same lang class. Kuha. So, mas na ang kita mo negative, pareha lang. So, dili siya mag-matter. Kasi sa fifth side sa imong tiles na kay negative value. Okay? So, right now, unsa to mga factor? You have x and x, and sa left side, or x and x, that is 2x. On the other side, you have x, negative 1, and negative 1. Okay? So, write down the factor, x minus 2. So, therefore, the factors of 2x squared minus 4x are this one. 2x times x minus 2. Ito ha. So, I hope class, sabta ninyo or sa inyong module, daghan ng mga example din na, okay? You factor those using algebra type. Okay? So, thank you for watching. And if you have questions and comments, okay? So, isulat na niyo sa comment box, okay? Para mabasa natin at least, we can also create another video for clarifications kung ano sa inyong mga nalibugan. Or if there are corrections na gusto ninyo, ipaabot sa kaning video. Okay? And again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button of this channel para updated mo always. Okay? Thank you. This is El Maestro signing off.